How to turn off active status on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the settings and activity page of Instagram. So here, scroll down and under the how others can interact with you tab, you will see the messages and story replies option. Tap on that and then tap on the show activity status option you see there. And further, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for show activity status. And with this, users will not be able to see your activity status. So this is how you can turn off activity status on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.